scenery. I can see a little bit of Mentos in there.
There's still some.
It's very light.
Here. Hi.
Hi everybody, welcome to Blain Game. And today we're going to be doing another experiment. So we're doing Coca-Cola
With
and
Mentos.
And after that, which will Eric be doing? Vinegar. Oh, I'll do it first. Oh, so white vinegar. So let's go. So I'm doing it first. So what I'm gonna do is bicarb soda, aka baking soda. So I'm just gonna pour some of that in here.
Don't forget, it has to be everything. One whole layer.
No, it's not. That's enough.
And
Today is
also-
very windy as well.
Put food coloring.
Now we're going to put some food coloring. Just put the blue one.
green or blue? Blue.
And just put
Oh,
one.
it smells good. It smells like cupcakes.
You have to put one whole lid.
Just
That's it.
That's enough.
And now he's going to pour in the vinegar.
Just first I'll have to do this so it doesn't go exploding everywhere like a mess.
Now, moving the thing over here.
In case if it
In case
explodes.
of an emergency, it explodes. As you can see, it looks like the moon.
And now you can put, and what is
One
that?
whole lid.
Put everything. I mean, until it's
In there.
half.
Here goes nothing.
It's gas. Wow! Wow! That's enough. Wow! Look at that. It looks like. Put more. Put more. It looks like the ocean. Wow!
Whoa!
Wow! Wow!
I'm gonna add some green.
So my brother's just gonna add some more green.
Some green. Don't put too much.
What's it's
So
gonna be
the
color?
color is green now.
This is what happened. So before it was fizzing, like so you saw our experiment worked. So this is only with baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring if you want. But it's just like good if you add food coloring. So it's awesome. I'm just gonna wipe my hands.
As you know it, my brother has finished and now it's my turn. First you get baking soda and put a like this. You got to mush it and now
No, you add the food coloring.
the food coloring.
You chose green. Let's see what it looks like.
Just 1 cup.
Shoot.
1 cap.
Oh.
And
Oh,
now the vinegar. Let's see what happened.
Whoa! It explodes. I like that,
Oh,
Eric.
it's a volcano.
Like we did before.
Wow, it's fizzing a lot.
I like that one.
This worked better than my brother's. Wow! It's better if this was a volcano.
Red.
Wow.
But this is
Alright,
acid.
so we just made acid there. So as you know it was dark green. Now it's bright green. This is
On
how
the
you
top.
make bright green. But on the bottom it's mostly dark green because vinegar is very dark when it's mixed up with dark stuff. So that's it. So what I learned about is that if you pour vinegar into baking soda with
It will-
food coloring, it'll explode up, not down.
Still,
So it's still fizzing. The fizzing is now going away. Now it's time for the Coke test.
Yeah,
But
boy,
first we
bring
need
it on.
to empty this. So now we're doing the Coke and the Mentos.
Lady, go!
Oh, what does that say?
1, 2,
Cool text. Which one would you do?
3,
That text.
4,
Movie or music?
5,
Something.
and now one more. 6.
6. So,
Now we're gonna pull some Coke.
That's gas.
Now
oh, I
we'll
can
up
smell
some
it from
Coke.
here. Save it for the experiment. This is the whole we
Just one zip. Now let's do it. Nothing
Let's
really
smell it
much
up.
happened.
Don't worry, mine will go kaboom!
Now,
Okay.
can we put vinegar?
No.
Yes or no?
You can wait.
We can wait.
Or else you can, yeah, you can
let's put vinegar.
try put vinegar with
Try
the
put
Coke and
vinegar.
Mentos if it's work.
Vinegar.
Wow! Wow, that was easy! What is that?
Still works.
So, Eric is putting more vinegar.
Not too
and
much.
That's enough. Let's see
Look,
what's
you can
going on.
see it. I can see it fizzing.
The Mentos stuff using.
No, save it for me. I'm just gonna have one secretly.
That's enough! Oh my god.
Alright, guys. So that worked a lot.
Horror or comedy?
You can wait
Comedy.
until Luke stop using. I don't know
So-
what's the next.
Can we put Mentos in this? Why? Can we add baking soda?
Next stop using.
Can I have a Mentos?
So what do you like?
So what I liked the most was
Make
vinegar, Mentos, and Coke.
it's more explode.
It had more explosion
Now
than the vinegar.
they're eating the Mentos.
What's next?
I don't know what you're doing the Mentos for.
Mentos in the Coke bottle.
No, I want to drink some of that.
What if we had baking soda?
Oh, bicarb's still good.
Watch out. Oh!
Enough.
Oh! Wow. It looks like a whole box full of greenery. I can see a little bit of Mentos in there.
There's still some.
It's very light. See? Nothing works except baking soda.
And vinegar.
So you should really try it. See? Mentos is still there.
Yep.
So it means the real truth is baking soda and vinegar.
Works. And Coke and Mentos, well, it does work, but it doesn't work that much.
Yeah, it just goes up
Compared
to there.
to this and this.
What this and this?
So baking
vinegar.
soda and vinegar.
And baking soda.
Don't listen to those people who say Mentos and Coke will work. No, no, no.
And it goes.
It won't do that.
It goes through the
It'll
sky.
just go up to there.
Now what it does.
So this is easy. What do you like more? The Coke
and
or the
Mentos?
vinegar?
Or
In
the
baking
vinegar
soda?
and
Comment
baking
down
soda.
below which one you like the most. So it's very easy. Just add baking soda, food coloring, and vinegar, or put some Coke and baking
Mentos.
soda.
We'll put some Coke and
It's easy for you children. So
like me and him.
So you should really do it. Very fun. And bye. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to leave a like and
And
subscribe.
subscribe and share. This says Book or TV.